Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you the Photoshop Aqua effect. Actually, I'm gonna give you these effect preset, that means the camera filter preset, and I'll show you all the things and how to make it more amazing. So let's see the before one. So before, our stock image was like that, and after using some effects, we just got this type of effects. At first I used a preset, and then I used a filter, and then the layer 1 and layer 2, the cross processing, that is the effects from the Google Nik Collection or Nik Collection, whatever you can tell, and then the final output. So if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications and the new presets free of cost. So let's start the tutorial. At first I'll go to the file and open up here my stock image, and I downloaded this one from the wallpapers.com, and I'll give you that download link in my video description. And then make copy by pressing Ctrl+J for the safety purpose, and then go to the filter and camera filter, and from here I'll import my preset which I given in my download and video description download link. So here is the load settings options from the small menu, and then here the Aqua, that was the preset, and then hit OK. It's done, and then just go to the adjustment layer and solid color, and from here I'll choose here the color code, this color code. Just copy this one, Ctrl+C, and then just double click and paste over here, and then go to the blending mode and make it into soft light. That's fine. Select these two things, make it group, make it merge, and then go to the filter and Nik Collection Color Effects Pro. You know that Color Effects Pro, that one is another plugins for the Photoshop, and this one is free of cost. You can use all the different types of presets and effects from here. I'm using here cross processing, this one, and here lots of methods. You can use one of them. So I'm using L03, this one, and hit OK. It will take time to load it up and give you the best output. So let's see the before one and after one. So what I have done, I use a preset, so I'm turning it off. I used a preset. After using preset, it's looking like yeah, that's fine, but we need to just make it more amazing. For that I used that is the normal color, and I just changed the blending mode into soft light, and then I got this one, and then cross processing. So this one is the technique for making your photography aqua color. So hope that you like this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friends, and if you just want to get the preset and other download stuffs, please check out my video description. And until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.